Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I already have my base makeup on. I did foundation, brows, contour, concealer. I did all of that. That is because today's video is going to be a tutorial on how I do my eyeliner. This video was requested by my friend Anna, so this video is for you, homegirl. She always asks me how I like do my eyeliner, that my eyeliner is always so perfect, but I've been doing my eyeliner since I was like a junior, and it's taken me this whole time to like actually perfect it. So I want to say maybe like 6 or 7 years to really perfect my eyeliner, and all it takes is just practice, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my eyeliner, and you guys go ahead and practice, try it at home. Yes, it's not gonna come out perfect the first time, but keep trying. Do not get discouraged. No matter what you do, eventually you will get it. So yeah, I think that's basically it. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started, show you guys the eyeliner that I use. So where is it? I use the Maybelline Eye Studio gel liner in Blackest Black. It just looks like this, and this is the pot. And sometimes I like to use the brush that it came with, which is this tiny one right here. This super tiny brush. I like to do it with this one, or if not, I'll use this really like angled eyeliner brush. And yeah, those are the two brushes that I like to use when doing my eyeliner. Okay, so I'm gonna bring you guys super close up so you can see exactly what it is that I'm doing. So I just took a tiny amount of the eyeliner on the brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and line the top of my lid with that. And you want to start off with a tiny amount, and then if you need more, well, I mean, just keep building. But it's better to start off with a little bit than to start off with a lot. And then you're just gonna do a super thin line, as thin as you can do it. Okay, so that's that. And then what you're gonna wanna do next is you're gonna wanna lengthen your eyes. So as you guys can see, my eyes are pretty like rounded, and I wanna make them more of like an almond shape or like a cat eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply eyeliner here to the inner corner of my eye, and I'm gonna drag it in the slightest bit just so it can give me that effect. So again, I'm going in with like very little product. And I'm just gonna drag it like towards my nose, kind of. So just like that. Okay, so I went ahead and did the same thing to the other eye, and now we're gonna draw that outer wing. So what I do is I line it up always to like where my top lash line and bottom lash line meet, and then right there where they meet, I just drag that line all the way across, and I try to do the thinnest line as possible. Your hand might be shaky like the first few times that you do it, but you just gotta keep trying so you can be super precise with it. So So like I said, just from like the outer corner right here, the very corner, I'm just gonna drag it out straight across. You see how thin my line is? Another thing that I did too, when I got the eyeliner on the brush, I went ahead and with a napkin, I kind of just like brushed it off, I guess, or like squished like the brush, and that's gonna give you a preciser tip so you can get kind of like that precise line. Okay, so now that I have my line, I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it in. Just like that. So that is basically the eyeliner. You see how my eye is so much like more pulled back, I guess? So yeah. Now I'm just gonna go back in and perfect it. Just really get into like the edges where I feel need more eyeliner, where it needs to be straighter. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys one more time with this eye. When you drag out your line, you don't want to put a lot of pressure on the brush. That is also another very important tip, because the more pressure you put, the heavier and like thicker your line is going to be. So another thing that you want to do too is right there at the very corner of like your the outer corner of your eye, I guess, you're just gonna want to drag a little bit of that liner in towards your lower lash line. So just like that. I feel like it just makes your eye look a lot more like cat eye effect. I don't know what to call it. But yeah, this is it for the eyeliner. I know some people will tell you to do your eyeliner like straight up, or I don't know, something weird, but I always find it so much better to just draw the line like straight across, like literally just straight across. It makes your eye look so much prettier. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and pop on some falsies really quick and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so basically this is the finished look. Another thing I just wanted to tell you guys, the lashes that you pick out when doing winged eyeliner are so important. You want to make sure that the lashes that you use are like also winged out themselves, so they have to start off smaller in the front and then fan out as you get towards the end, because that honestly makes such a big difference when you wear your eyeliner. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope I explained everything as best as I could, and I hope that it all made sense. So yeah, I just want to tell you guys, practice, practice, practice. Don't get discouraged. It took me 6 years to perfect my eyeliner, so don't worry, you guys will get it. And yeah, I hope you guys liked the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.